Today is going to be a review of Chanel's latest Holiday 2024 collection, specifically for Chanel makeup. They did work closely with Chanel's makeup creation studio to design bold, forward-thinking collections that push boundaries in color, texture, and technique. So there were 3 people that were involved, and these were prominent makeup artists. And they are Cecile Paravina, who's known for her vibrant avant-garde approach, Valentina Lee, who's celebrated for her ethereal artistic makeup styles, and Amy Drame, recognized for her ability to enhance natural beauty with a contemporary edge. What really drew me into Chanel's holiday collection was their huge oversized palettes, and let me just get into that right now. They gave me a really regular box and ribbons that come with it as well. I've got a few products to try and test out, and I've just got some foundation like BB cream on and concealer, a little bit of blusher, and I'm just going to test out the products. I've literally not even opened up my products right now. I'm going to an event right now as well, and I've only got a few minutes to film this. So there were a little bit of mixed reviews on this particular collection. I didn't really see much people talking about this particular collection, specifically on Asian faces. Like, I did see Tati Beauty did a really awesome review, but of course apart from that, there were really a bit of mixed reviews. Like, there are people who really loved it, but there were people who really they just don't see why Chanel would come up with something that's just so colorful or maybe glittery or shimmery. It's just not really them. But I think the whole point about this specific makeup collection is that it's supposed to be different. Chanel was intentional about creating something like this collection that was innovative, that would really challenge the status quo. And with the 3 makeup artists that they have collaborated with, they're not really just about the same old kind of, same or going the conservative route. They're not. The formula, I heard, is really good as well. I've personally tested it out in the store. Given me like an eau de parfum one here, and I've also got some perfume from them, and I'm going to be testing out 2 of their palettes right now. This is the Enchanted palette. There's 4 colors here, as well as the highlighter. It's really heavy, very substantial packaging, and 4 colors right here. Off the bat, I love the color story. It's really bright, really shiny. Everything is really shiny as well. So I'm just going to test it out with my makeup brush. I'm trying to do a video, but Oliver is... Okay, I'm just going to film something again. Can I film something then later I play with you?
This one?
You see, he's having a little bit of a sore eyes right now, and that's why, yeah, he has to stay home. He missed school today. But mommy have to put some makeup.
What? I can see my face.
Well, because I'm filming. I'm on video. Say hello.
I want to say hello to the...
Yeah, say hello.
Hello.
Yay, you did it. My eyes with the orange shade right here, and that was how the makeup artist actually applied. I'll try to do this while my kid is around. I love this orange shade. A lot of people think that it's just not really that nice, but I love it. I just love how it brightens up my skin, and I don't have... This is like literally natural light. I'm sitting in front of the window right now, and I just feel that overall, yeah, the color payoff is really good. Okay, and I'm going in with the pink right now, which is over here, right? And I'm just going to do it at the side here, like a mix of pink and purple. And I'm just going to put it in the corner because that's exactly what they did for me. It's just so oversized. I just love that it's just so different. It's oversized, it's extra, and it's just cute. Colors are very bright, but yet it just complements my skin tone. It's like I'm a bit of like a neutral warm shade, really Asian color shade. So I just feel that this really suits my liking, And I'm just going to go over with a bit of purple underneath as well. Really stays, it really bonds, and it's not like the powder goes everywhere. So, and what the makeup artist did was she just, for this particular one, what she did was that she just touched it a little bit, and then it's just as a topper, a top like that, just a little bit, just to brighten up the look. And she did a little bit underneath as well. That's it. So just look how fast I'm able to create this look without any effort, really. And I'm just gonna go in with this for my blusher. And I know that I've actually mixed, I've already got like a blusher on already, but I'm just gonna try it with this. Yeah, so far I really love it. It's a little bit more like a pinky sheen. Somebody who loves pinks, fuchsia, like a really nice pink tone, then pink purple tone, then this is really for you. Like, it's a very fun palette. And it's perfect for the holiday season. I mean, can you imagine if Chanel comes up with a holiday collection and it being just so muted and understated with just like conservative browns and golds? Won't that be like a bit boring? Like, won't people be then, what? Can Chanel do better? So I feel like Chanel really did a good job creating this one. I really love it. Very, very good. And really mixed reviews about this particular diamond dust oversized illuminating powder. So let's see. Really gigantic oversized palette, and it's almost like this overspray of this like really gold flecks here. So I'm just going to use the same highlighter like blush. Went in with this. I really love it. I feel that there's more of a pinky champagne effect for the highlighter, which I don't have this in my collection, by the way. I have a lot of like just pure gold highlighters, but not a pink highlighter. So this I can see myself putting it in the corner of my eye just to open up. Very natural. But definitely it's really more of a pink base. So I think this is really good if you want to have like a overall like brightened effect. So I just feel a little goes a long way. Really nice. It's like this stardust comet effect. The reason why this whole collection is called the Comet in the first place is because it's a strong symbol of Chanel, and specifically on the Comet necklace that was launched in 1932, and that's specifically their high jewelry. They're really known for stars and galaxy and moons, so there's definitely some stardust effect here. There's some stars. It almost just resembles like a galaxy. So Gabrielle Chanel is also very inspired by the constellations, the stars, and she wanted her ladies to be just baked in glitter and on the shoulder and sparkling, influenced by galaxies. And she created stardust and those celestial jewelry, which is a reflection of her. Go ahead to use their eyeliner. So I actually got the 536 Brune Fill. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing, but this is like a limited edition eyeliner. It's a bit of like a burgundy effect, and this is my first burgundy eyeliner, and I'm gonna try it right now. Very blendable, super waterproof as well, and the tip is easy to apply, and it's a red shade. And I'm not dipping in again, I'm really just going back in, but I do need to dip it one more time. I highly recommend the eyeliners for anybody who's looking for like a high quality effect, like more of a burgundy shade. I highly recommend you to try the formula for this. I feel like a black would be too harsh, so like a red is actually quite nice eyeliner. And it dries actually pretty fast. Alright, I am done. I'm probably losing a little bit of light right now because it's in the late afternoon. I got the ballerina as well, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is not exactly their limited edition, but I just wanted something really natural, like a French manicure. And they've given me some samples, and this is the number 5 La U, and the blue the Chanel. This is for the guys perfume. If you saw, they also come up with this limited edition only for the holiday perfume, and this is just such a beautiful piece because it's something that probably when you see it, and I highly recommend you, if you have like a Chanel store near you, definitely go check it out. I bought the Chanel number 5 wristlet perfume. So in the past, this was supposed to be worn as a wristlet, and that's how ladies carry it actually. They carry their perfumes on their wrist, and that was according to research apparently. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's really cute. And then there's that Chanel number 5, and the reason why it's number 5 is because Gabrielle Chanel's favorite number is number 5, and it's also in the Bible is actually the number of grace. So number 5 is grace, and such a beautiful number. It's actually my favorite number as well. So actually, how do I open it? I'm just thinking, okay, you can actually open it like that in a magnetic, and you could just push it and spray. So there's 7 ml in this right now, and this is an eau de parfum. There is 2 refills. And this is Chanel number 5. So they've actually got like the white one as well in the La U Chanel number 5 perfume. And there are a lot of people, especially when I was chatting to the essay over there, she mentioned that this is really a much more of a popular one. They love the bottle because it's really iconic, it's classic, and people prefer the La U fragrances apparently. So but you can't mix and match it. You literally have to be comfortable with wearing Chanel number 5, and it comes with 3. There's already 1 inside, so it's what you're getting is 21 ml, and it costs about like $300+ for this. But it's really the packaging. People used to wear their perfumes as a wristlet, but I'm gonna use this as a bag chain. And in the event if you finish up all your perfumes, you can actually refill it with the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle refills as well, so not to worry. And personally, it's to me, I feel it's really quite weighty, and it feels like it actually looks like a lipstick that is in a magnet, and you can actually just like carry it out. So I really love this one. It's a very nice collector's piece if you're really into Chanel. Stick that I have by Perry Para. He got a lot of reds, and there was one orange shade as well, but I don't really like it. Or probably I just had a lot of other colors already. So I'm just gonna go in with something really natural, and I really highly recommend just go natural on the lip and just let the eyes stand out. And I'm just gonna top it off with some mascara as well. But what do you think? This is really a very natural look that I've created. I didn't like pack a whole load of product on, but this is on a day-to-day something that I wear, and I could actually layer it and thicken it up if I wanted to, but overall I really feel that I love this particular collection. I think that I've not made a wrong decision getting this palette. It's really beautiful. I think that this is something like what Barbie would love as well. I'm just saying, if you're also a Barbie fanatic, or somebody who loves collecting Barbies or love Barbies in general, I think you will like this palette. It's really beautiful, really fun. That's the whole thing around the holidays, isn't it? Why would Chanel come up with something that's just so conservative and understated? Why? So they've also given me this eau de parfum in a really, really, really tiny miniature sized bottle, and I think this would be perfect for your whatever Labubu if you own one, or any little miniature toy. This is really cute. It makes a really nice little souvenir. To the end of my video, and highly recommend this collection to anybody. And if you've got any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.